Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of MG Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Welcome to online lecture of bridge course of 10th mathematics. Student, we had started bridge course from 1st July 2021. Now in this video we will see points from day 24 to day 29, which is based on mathematics first. In this video we will see about linear equations in one variable and also in two variable. So let's start. Student, we will see first linear equation in one variable. See the examples given here. Solve the following equations. First equation is given m plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. So here see we find the value of m. M is equal to 5 minus 3. Okay. 5 minus 3 means m is equal to 2. We get a value of m as 2. This is linear equation in one variable. Similarly, see second example. 3y plus 8 is equal to 22. So here we get see 3y. What happens here? See 3y is equal to 22 minus 8. That is 3y is equal to 22 minus 8 means 14. Okay. So we get y is equal to 14 upon 3. We get y is equal to 14 upon 3. Okay. Similarly, third one, see in the third example, what is given? X upon 3 is equal to 2. So we get x is equal to 3 into 2. That is x is equal to 6. Okay. Next, fourth one, 2p is equal to p plus 4. So we have to find here value of p. So we write as 2p. See 2p minus p is equal to 4 upon 9. Okay. So we get p is equal to 4 upon 9. Next one. Fifth. Which number should be added to 5 to obtain 14? Which number we had to add? Suppose we had to add x. So we write here x. X plus 5 is equal to 14. So we get x is equal to 14 minus 5. That is x is equal to 9. Similarly, 6th one. Which number should be subtracted from 8 to obtain 2? So we suppose that we subtract from 8 y. So we get the equation 8 minus y is equal to 2. We have to find the value of y. So take y is equal to 8 minus 2. That is y is equal to 6. Okay. Student, here observe one more thing, that in all above example, degree of variable is 1. You observe here the degree of variable is 1 here. So these are called a linear equation. So we call it as linear equation. You remember this thing? If the degree of variable is 1, which are variable present here? See, you observe here. Here m is variable present, here y is variable present, x variable, p is variable, x, and here y. So here all these variables are present. Here degree of this all variable is 1. So we call it as linear equation. You had already learned. Okay. So how to solve linear equation in two variables? You had now learned what is the linear equation in two variables. So there are different methods of solving linear equation in two variables. You had learned elimination method and substitution method. So first we see elimination method of solving linear equation in two variables. Here elimination method means we have to eliminate one of the variable. See here example is given, solve x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, so here these are the two equations. See first equation, x plus y is equal to 14, and second equation, x minus y is equal to 2. Here two variables are present, which x and y. Okay, and degree of each variable is 1. So it is linear equation in two variable. So we can, here we solve by elimination method, means we either eliminate x or we can eliminate y. Okay, so how we eliminate? See, first you write the given equation to the given equation. We call this equation number first and this is second. If we add both these equations, so what happens? See, first equation is x plus y is equal to 14 and second equation is x minus y is equal to 2. If we add both these equation, what happens? Y get cancelled. So we get 2x, x plus x is 2x is equal to 14 plus 2 is 16. That is we get 2x is equal to 16. So we get x is equal to 16 upon 2. 2 8s are 16. So we get the final answer, x is equal to 2. Now if we put the value of x in one of this equation, you put the value of x in equation 1 or in equation 2. Here we put the value of x is equal to 8 in equation 1. So write first equation 1, x plus y is equal to 14. Put the value of x as 8. Therefore we get 8 plus xy is equal to 14. Now this is linear equation. Okay, see, this is linear equation in one variable. You can solve this. So we get y is equal to 14 minus 6. We get y is equal to 14 minus 6 means, 14 minus 8 means y, we get last final answer as y is equal to 6. So x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6 are the two solutions of this elimination method. Okay, so students, for elimination method we have to eliminate either x or y. You can eliminate any one, either x or y. Some students eliminate x and some will eliminate y. No problem, दोन्हीपैकी एक जरी एलिमिनेट केला तरी आन्सर तुमचं तेच येणार आहे. फॉर बोथ elimination, if you can eliminate x and first and then y, put the value and we get y, or you first eliminate y and then we get the value of x. No problem. Okay, same answer will be for both. See, one more example is, solve the following equation. 3x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Student, here you observe, you call this, we have to eliminate one of the variable. एखादा तरी इलिमिनेट करायचं असेल तर बघा, जर मला x इलिमिनेट करायचं असेल तर x चे कोइफिशियंट सेम पाहिजेत ना. जर सेम असेल तर आपण ॲडिशन किंवा सबट्रॅक्शन करून ते इलिमिनेट करू शकतोय. आणि जर आपल्याला y इलिमिनेट करायचं असेल तर y चे पण कोइफिशियंट सेम पाहिजे. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पलमध्ये x आणि y दोघांचे कोइफिशियंट सेम होते, त्यामुळे आपण डायरेक्ट ॲडिशन किंवा सबट्रॅक्शन केलेली होती. इन दिस एक्झाम्पल यू सी, coefficient of x are 3 and 2, and coefficient of y are 1 and 3. So we make one of the coefficient either x or either y same. So here see, we multiply, therefore you multiply both sides of equation 1 by 3. बघा आपण वायचं कोइफिशियंट इथं सेम करून घ्यालोय. मग वायचा कोइफिशियंट सेम करायचा असेल तर सेकंड इक्वेशनमध्ये वायचा कोइफिशियंट किती आहे 3y आहे आणि फर्स्ट इक्वेशनमध्ये वाय आहे. मग आपल्याला काय करायला लागेल, फर्स्ट इक्वेशनला 3 मल्टिप्लाय करायला लागेल. सो यू मल्टिप्लाय बोथ साइड्स ऑफ इक्वेशन 1 by 3. सो वी गेट 3 into 3 3x into 3 plus 3 into y is equal to 5 into 13. 3x into 3 9x plus 3y is equal to 15. You divide by, see, this is the new equation obtained from equation first. You call this as equation number 3 and write equation number 2. Now you observe equation 2 and 3. Here 3y 3y is same. So if we add equation 2 and 3, then y will be eliminated, or if you subtract equation 2 and 3, then y will be eliminated. If we subtract equation 2 and 3, y get eliminate. बघा y कॅन्सल होणार आहे की नाही सबट्रॅक्शन केल्यावर. सो वी सबट्रॅक्ट इक्वेशन 2 and 3. So you subtract equation 2 and equation number 3. Write 9x plus 3y is equal to 15 plus, here minus sign is there, minus 2x minus plus 3y is equal to 1. Due to minus sign, change the sign, minus minus minus, 3y get cancelled. 9x minus 2x is 7x and 15 minus 1 is 14. So we get x is equal to 2. Okay. Now you put the value of x is equal to 2 in equation number 1 or 2 or 3. Here we had put the value of x is equal to 2 in equation number second. So write equation number second, put the value of x as 2. You simplify, you get y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so we get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 are the solutions of the required equation. Student, this is one of the method of solving simultaneous equation. Now we will see second method, that is, see what is the second method? Substitution method of solving simultaneous equation. What is mean by substitution method? See, there is one more method of eliminating a variable. We can express one variable in terms of other form of one equation. Then substituting it in the other equation, we eliminate the variable. Here we make substitution. जसं तुम्ही खेळामध्ये बघा, एखादा प्लेयर इंजुरी झाला असेल तर आपण राखीव ओढायला घेतो ना, सबस्टिट्यूशन प्लेयर घेतो. तसं इथं सबस्टिट्यूशन करणे म्हणजे काय, इथं दोन व्हेरिएबल असणार आहेत एक्स आणि वाय. एक तर आपण एक्स हा वाय मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करायचा, सबस्टिट्यूट करायचा, किंवा वाय हा एक्स मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करायचा. वी कॉल्ड दिस एज सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथड. ओके, सो वी विल सी एक्झाम्पल ऑन सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथड. Solve 8x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. You write the first given equation 2, equation number first and equation number second. Now here we have to use substitution method. So we express from first equation. बघा पहिल्या इक्वेशनमध्ये x किंवा y हा आपण एक्सप्रेस करायचा आहे. एक तर x y मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करायचा किंवा y हा x मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करायचा आहे, किंवा सेकंड इक्वेशनवरनं एक्स किंवा वाय एक्सप्रेस करायचं आहे. मग कुठलं सोपं आहे एक्सप्रेस करणं? सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथडमध्ये तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवलं चालेल, ज्याचा कोएफिशियंट 1 आहे त्याची व्हॅल्यू काढली तर आपल्याला सोपं पडते, म्हणजे फ्रॅक्शनमध्ये आपल्याला मिळणार नाही. तुम्ही फर्स्ट इक्वेशनवरनं पण एक्सची व्हॅल्यू काढली तर चालेल, पण काय येईल बघा, ती 11 मायनस 3y अपॉन 8 असं येईल. त्यापेक्षा सोपं कुठलं आहे, सेकंड इक्वेशनवरनं वायची व्हॅल्यू काढणं सोपं आहे. So we write second equation as, see, 3x minus y is equal to 2 is there. So you write y is equal to 3x minus 2. So from this second equation you write, see, From second equation, you write as y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now put this value of y is equal to 3x minus 2 in equation number first. So you write first equation number 1, 8x as it is, 8x as it is, 3 as it is. Put the value of y as 3x minus 2 is equal to 11. You simplify, you get the value of x as 1. Okay. We get value of x as 1. Now put this value of x in y is equal to 3x minus 2. So what we get, see, y is equal to 3 into 1 minus 2, that is y is equal to 1. So we get the final answers as x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. That is 1 1 is the solution of the given equation. ओके, तुमचा आन्सर करेक्ट आहे की नाही तुम्ही चेक करू शकताय. एक्सची व्हॅल्यू 1 आणि वायची व्हॅल्यू 1 दिलेल्या इक्वेशनमध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करा. आपल्याला LHS आणि RHS काय मिळतील, सेम मिळतील. स्टुडंट, these are the two methods of solving simultaneous equation. First is substitution elimination method and second is substitution method. Now we will see word problem based on this simultaneous equation. What are the word problems? See, what is the word problem? While solving word problem or converting the given information into mathematical form is an important step in this process. बघा, वर्ड प्रॉब्लेममध्ये काय करायचं आहे, जे वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम आहे तो आपण कन्वर्ट करायचा आहे मॅथमॅटिकल फॉर्ममध्ये. मग त्यासाठी कोणकोणते स्टेप्स आहेत, हिअर वी हॅड गिवन स्टेप्स. सी, फर्स्ट स्टेप इज, यू रिमेंबर फर्स्ट स्टेप, रीड द गिवन वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम केअरफुली and try to understand it. This is important step. Okay, first you read the given word problem carefully and then try to understand it. From given information, use proper variables for given quantities. तुम्ही त्या दिलेल्या इन्फॉर्मेशनवरनं व्हेरिएबल्स चूज करायचे आहेत. ओके, देन थर्ड, फॉर्म द मॅथमॅटिकल स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम अबाव व्हेरिएबल्स. त्या व्हेरिएबलचा यूज करून आपण ते मॅथमॅटिकल फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायचं आहे. म्हणजेच काय, सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशनमध्ये ते लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. देन यूज सुटेबल मेथड टू सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. यू हॅड लर्न टू मेथड्स, इलिमिनेशन मेथड अँड सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथड. इफ द प्रॉब्लेम इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन, then you can solve any one of the method and then find the solution. Then find the solution means you get the value of x and y. Substitute the values of variable in both the equation carefully and then we get the result and then write the answer in the word problematically. Okay, here you had given one example. See, first, sum of the two number is 36. If 9 is subtracted from 8 times the first number, we get second number. Find the numbers. We had seen what is the first step. First step is you see the problem carefully. Read what is given here. Sum of two number is 36. So we have to choose here variables. Two numbers are given, so you use the two variables. First variable is x and second variable is y. Then we try to write the problem in mathematical form. What are the given things? First, sum of the number is 36, that is x plus y is equal to 36. Then 9 is subtracted from 8 times the first number. What is the 8 time of first number? First number is x. Its 8 time means 8x. And 9 is subtracted means 8x minus 9. We get the second number. So what is the second number? Second number is y is equal to 8x minus 9. So we get the two equation. First equation is, we get the two equation. First equation is x plus y is equal to 36, and second equation is y is equal to 8x minus 9. Okay. Now you try to solve these two equations. You solve these two equation by any one of the method. Okay. Then we get the value of x as 5 and y is equal to 31. So we have to find the numbers. So the numbers are, first number is x means 5, and second number you find from y is equal to 8x minus 9. So we get the required two numbers. Okay. See students, this is one of the word problem I had told you. But there are different kinds of word problem. See which are the types of word problem. First, problem regarding to age. आपल्याला एजवरचे काही प्रॉब्लेम दिले जातील. ओके. देन प्रॉब्लेम्स रिगार्डिंग टू नंबर. नंबरशी रिलेटेड काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम असतील. प्रॉब्लेम बेस्ड ऑन फ्रॅक्शन्स. प्रॉब्लेम्स बेस्ड ऑन मनी ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स. प्रॉब्लेम बेस्ड ऑन जॉमेट्रिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. and problem based on speed, distance and time. Such types of problems are there. We have to convert all these types of problem into linear equation in two variables, and then you can use any one of the methods. You had given two methods, you can use any one of the method and simplify. So we see one word problem here. Salim's age is 23 years more than half the Sangram's age. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 55 years. Find their present ages. See here, you first convert the given problem. You choose the variables. Here there are two ages are given, Salim's age and Sangram's age is given. So we let Salim's age as x and Sangram's age as y. Okay. Now, according to given condition, you try to write in the mathematical form. From first sentence, see, Sahil's age is 23 years more than half the Sangram's age. What is the Sahil's age? X. X is equal to half of Sangram's age, means y upon 2. 23 more, so we get here 23. Then 5 years ago, what is the Salim's age? X minus 5. And 5 years ago Sangram's age is y minus 5. What is the given condition? 5 years ago the sum of their ages was 55 years. So you write here x plus 5. See here, x plus 5, and in this bracket y minus 5 is equal to 55. Now you simplify this. You call this as equation number first, and then you get the equation number second. You solve these two equation by any one of the method. Here we add the equation 1 and 2. Y get cancelled. Y is cancelled. 2x plus x is 3x is equal to 111. So we get x is equal to 37. Now put the value of x in equation number 1 or 2. You put the value of x in equation 1. X plus y is equal to 65. X is 36 plus y is equal to 65. So you get y is equal to 65 minus 37. You get y is equal to 8. So what is the final answer? The final answer is Sahil's present age is 37 years and Sangram's present age is 28 years. Now one more example is given here. A two-digit number. It is example on numbers. A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of digits. If we interchange the digits, the number obtained is 9 less than 4 times the origin number. Then find the number. See the question, two-digit number is there. For two-digit number, there is tens place and there is units place is there. So you suppose here we have to find the two-digit number. So we take here unit place number as C, origin number unit place is X and tens place is Y, you suppose. So what happens, see the origin number बघा युनिट प्लेसला काय आहे एक्स आहे आणि टेन्स प्लेसला काय आहे वाय आहे. मग नंबर काय तयार होईल 10y प्लस एक्स. ओके, आणि आपण इंटरचेंज केलं तर काय होईल, इफ वी इंटरचेंज द डिजिट्स द नंबर ऑप्टेंड इज 9 लेस दॅन 4 टाइम्स द ओरिजिन नंबर. आफ्टर इंटरचेंजिंग द डिजिट्स वी गेट, बघा युनिट प्लेसचा काय केला आपण टेन्स प्लेसला घेतला आणि टेन्स प्लेसचा काय घेतला युनिट प्लेसला घेतला. तर नंबर काय तयार होईल बघा 10x प्लस वाय होईल. ओके, आपण स्थानिक किंमत काढणे बघितलेलं आहे त्याच्यावरनं हे लिहिलेलं आहे. सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स काय येईल y प्लस एक्स आणि इथं काय येणार आहे x प्लस वाय. सो रीड द कंडिशन्स फर्स्ट. फर्स्ट कंडिशन इज अ टू डिजिट नंबर इज 4 टाइम्स द सम ऑफ इट्स डिजिट्स. टू डिजिट नंबर कुठला आहे आपला 10y प्लस एक्स, 4 times sum of the units. You simplify this, you get minus 3x. You simplify here 10y plus x is equal to 4y plus 4x. Take all in the LHS. You get x minus 4x plus 10y minus 4y is equal to 0. X minus 4x is minus 3x. 10y minus 4y is 6y is equal to 0. That is we get minus 3x is equal to minus 6y. X is equal to 2y. Okay, we get the value of x as 2y. So here you use the substitution method. So what is the next step? See, from second condition you write after interchanging the numbers what we get 10x plus y is 9 less than twice the origin number. So you write this condition, you simplify further this, you get 8x minus 19y is equal to minus 9, and second condition x is equal to 2y. So here we use the substitution method. What is the substitution method? See, we get 2x is equal to 2y and 8x minus 19y is equal to minus 9. So put x is equal to 2y in equation 2. What happens? See, x ची व्हॅल्यू काय ठेवायची 2y. 8 into 2y म्हणजे किती येणार आहे 16y minus 19y as it is minus 9 as it is. You simplify this, you get value of y as 3. Now you put this value of y is equal to 3 in equation number first. X minus 2y is equal to 0. X minus 2 into 3 is equal to 0. That is x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6. So students, here you get the value of x y as 3 and value of x as 6. We get the values of x and y. So word problem you had told, you first find value of x and y. So we have to find the two-digit number. So origin number is 10y plus x. You put the value of x and y. 10 into 3 plus 6 is equal to 36. So origin number is, two-digit number is 36. Okay, understand the word problem which are based on simultaneous equations. So students, in this bridge course you had learned about linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variable. How to solve, what is the standard form of linear equation in two variables, and how to solve linear equation in two variables. One of the method is first elimination method and then second substitution method. And also we had learned the word problem based on linear equation in two variables. So students, your today's homework is solve the given exercise PDF, which is based on day 16 to day 29, and there will be test on day 30, that is 30 July. The PDF will be sent on your WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.